Want to speak real Thai from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ThaiPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Jay here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Thai questions. The question for this lesson is, what are some basic question words in Thai? Learning to ask questions in Thai can be very beneficial for you. It will help you build up your language ability and can help in your everyday life in Thailand. Today, I'll teach you some very useful words for asking questions in Thai. Just like English language, in Thai, we have different words for who, what, where, when, why, and how. If you are familiar with the English form, it will be very easy to learn this in Thai. There's only one minor difference in usage. These question words in Thai are อะไร what เมื่อไหร่ when ที่ไหน where ทำไม why ใคร who แบบไหน how อย่างไร how and finally บ่อยแค่ไหน how often. Grammatically, when asking questions in Thai, we put most of these words at the end of the sentence. There are two exception words. We put อะไร and ทำไม at the beginning of the sentence. For example, ทำไมเธอถึงวิ่งตอนเช้า Why do you jog in the morning? เธอไปกับใคร Who are you going with? We can see that in the first sentence, ทำไม is used at the beginning of the sentence to ask question. However, in the second sentence, เธอไปกับใคร ใคร is used at the end to ask who. If we cut out the word ใคร in this sentence, we'll get เธอไปกับ she goes with. This can be changed to a general sentence just by adding a name or noun at the end. For example, เธอไปกับสมคิด she goes with สมคิด Thus, by adding ใคร who ที่ไหน where or เมื่อไหร่ when, we'll change the sentence to a question. For example, มึงกินข้าวที่ไหน Where are you eating? คุณจะไปเมื่อไหร่ When are you leaving? Pretty interesting, right? If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ